My name is Usman Abubakar, People's Redemption Party.
What's the position in the party apart from the president, the chairman?
Yes, I am the Deputy National Chair, North of the party, yes.
Okay, so tell us why what are the reasons?
Yes, as I mentioned during the meeting, during the introduction, the PRP is of considered opinion that it is not proper or it is improper and preposterous of INEC to conduct a review of 2023 general elections, especially with political parties, when the party is in court with INEC. And then there are other parties also in court contesting the outcome of that election. We believe that INEC should have gone ahead to conduct an internal review of the elections involving their staff, but it shouldn't involve the political parties. They should have waited until after the court adjudicated and then give its judgment before they can embark on this exercise.
Okay, but many people argue that your party is not among the top parties that are having cases against INEC in court.
It does not matter. We contested the 2026 general elections and we are in court contesting the outcome of that election. So we are bona fide members of the electoral process, as stakeholders, and the constitution of this country has given the party the mandate to go to court to contest an election that it feels, was not, I don't want to be, I won't start judging them, but like I said, we have right to contest where we feel that things are not done properly. We have right to go to court and contest the election, and that's exactly what we did.
But many people, other political parties, only you walks out. Many people might think that maybe you are a lone ranger. Don't you think it may not carry the weight? Because if most other parties, maybe those that are in court like you, have also walked out.
Well, PRP as a party has its responsibility when it sees things going right or when things are not done right to contest, whether some people agree or some other parties agree to go with it or not. We believe that any review involving the 2023 general elections with political parties is sub judice. And as a responsive and responsible party, PRP cannot participate in such elections. But you may wonder why we decide to come. Why didn't we abstain from the meeting? We have a lot of respect for the commission, and we thought that we should also seize the opportunity to draw their attention of what they are doing, because we strongly believe or feel that it is wrong of them to have embarked on this exercise at this material time, especially with political parties. Like I said, they could have done the internal review, they could have done the review internally, but not with the political parties. So that is the issue.